Hello everyone. The topic which we are going to discuss today is ARR, that is average rate of return and accounting rate of return. Here, a problem has given. With the help of that particular problem, we are going to see how to undergo for the ARR. We will see that what the problem has given. A machine will cost rupees 2 lakh. It is expected to provide profit before depreciation of 60,000 each in first and second year and 80,000 each in third and fourth years. Assuming a straight line depreciation and no taxes, what is the average accounting rate of return? This is the problem which has given in that they have mentioned the initial investment is 2 lakh and the amounts profit before depreciation is 60,000 for the first and second year, 80,000 for the third and fourth year. We will see how to undergo for this type of particular problem with the help of ARR method. I have done with yeah. Have a look how to start. Calculation of average accounting rate of return. Average or accounting rate of return. Okay. Year, profit before depreciation and tax, depreciation, profit before tax. Okay. Whatever the things, whatever the years, like first, second, third, fourth, how many years it has mentioned here? First year, second year, third year, fourth year. We have mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4. Depreciation, profit before depreciation and tax, it has mentioned as 60,000 for first and second year. We have taken for the first and second year 60. 80,000 each in third and fourth year, 80 for third and fourth year we have mentioned. Depreciation, SLM, okay, assuming a straight line depreciation, okay, so that depreciation is to be taken even with SLM, straight line method. Now in the problem it has not mentioned how much depreciation is to be taken, but we are having the formula. With the help of the formula we can find out how to undergo for the depreciation. See, here I have done working notes for the depreciation. Depreciation is equals to initial investment divided by number of years. To find out the depreciation, when the depreciation percentage is not given, we have to follow this formula. Depreciation is equals to initial investment divided by number of years. So initial investment was 2 lakhs. You can see 2 lakhs. And how many years? 4 years. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2 lakhs divided by 4, that is 50,000. So all the years SLM, straight line method, we have to follow SLM method. 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Now what we need to do? We need to subtract 50,000 from this. Okay, we need to subtract 50,000 from this. Like 60,000 minus 50,000, that will be 10,000. 60 minus 50, 10. 80,000, 50, 30. 80,000 minus 50, 30. This is profit before tax. Now what we need to do? We have to add all these things. We have to sum up. We are adding 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 30, 80, 80,000. Okay. Now what is the formula for the accounting rate of return or average rate of return? The formula for this ARR is annual average net earnings divided by average investment into 100. Annual average net earnings divided by average investment into 100. Now this particular thing is not given in the problem. So to find out this particular annual average net earning and average investment, we have to undergo for different formulas. See, Now to find out annual average net earning, we have to just undergo for this formula is equals to total profit divided by number of years. What is our total profit? Our total profit is 10,000, 10,000, 30,000, 30,000. First year, second year, third year, fourth year. Okay, that is comes together 80,000 divided by number of years, that is 4 years. Same, 80,000 divided by 4, it is 20,000. We got annual average net earning. Now, the another thing which we need to find out is average investment. We will see how to find out average investment too. Average investment. Original investment divided by 2. What is our original investment? Original investment has given us 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs divided by 2 is equals to 1 lakh. The same is going to be substituted. Okay, the same amounts are going to be substituted in the formula. Okay, annual average net earning divided by average investment. So annual average net earning has come as 20,000 and average investment has come as 1 lakh into 100. We'll see how much it will be with the help of calculator too. Okay, 20,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100 is equals to 20. This is 20%. The same ARR is equals to 20%. So this is the thing how to undergo for the ARR, the same which I have undergone. Just have a look. Thank you for watching.